Hello guys, I think I am mind blown by this official implementation of Neuralangelo, which is a high fidelity neural surface reconstruction model. I will let you watch this video for a bit, which is on their GitHub repo, and then I will summarize what exactly this is. Okay, so as you can see that not only it is showing you surface normals, but also it is showing you some RGB view synthesis, 3D surface reconstruction for the same image in the 3D environment. And so what is happening is that this model can turn videos from any device into detailed 3D structures, which are fully replicating, which could be fully replicating buildings, sculptures, or any other real world objects or spaces virtually. This has been released by NVIDIA, and NVIDIA has graciously also released the source code, which you can find in this GitHub repo, which is shown on your screen, and I will share the link in the video's description. I would highly suggest you that if you are into 3D rendering, uh, do read it, and you can read more about it on this papers page where they have this abstract and also this video which you can watch. A really a good one. And then if you go here on this papers page, you can see that different rendering of for instance here in this case, if I go with a caterpillar, it is going to change it, and then courthouse, let it load first. There you go. Also, let's go with Ignatius and maybe truck. And how cool is that? And then if you want to see the object centric reconstruction, this is amazing too. And I have done another video too on this in a detailed way. And if you want to read around its whole paper by these guys, then I will also drop the link in video's description. But really great news, and thank you NVIDIA for releasing the source code for this fabulous project. I hope that you liked it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.